Oh, spooky guys. Oh, fuck. Spooky. Shit. We're in the haunted woods out in the middle of nowhere. There's a farmer in his tractor. What is this? The home of a beaver. Look, a giant beaver's been here on haunted woods, and it's created this mound of trees and shit. Meanwhile, I can hear a tractor.
So can I.
Cutting across the field. I can see him go, "Hey, get off the fucking land, you're trespassing. Fuck you, it's a civil matter." They're real haunted, aren't they, when you got a farmer and his tractor around? Spooky shit.
We've got a hide here now.
What?
We've got a hide here now.
We've got a hard here. No, just need my lace tying. Fuck.
Hold my coat there.